Kia ora, ko Sharon Holt aho. I'm Sharon Holt, and because we're coming up to the month of April, I thought it would be a good time to talk to you about the pronunciation of the words in Māori for April. So we always have a transliteration. In this case, it's aperira. Sounds a little bit like April, so it's a transliteration. And then this one is the Māori word for the time of year of April, and that's painga whawha. So let's have a little look at the pronunciation, putting a break after every vowel. A, te, ri, ra. And we know that because we know it's a, e, I, o, u, and if there's a macron it's just a bit longer. Aperira, aperira, and so the emphasis is on that first letter because there's a macron. Aperira. And then for painga whawha, it's pretty much just rolls off your tongue. Pae ngā whawha. So painga whawha, the emphasis will be on these two syllables because they've both got macrons. Painga whawha, painga whawha. And you can just break it down at those vowels and practice it. But painga whawha is how it's pronounced. Ka kite.